AirTag stuck on searching for signal? Usually it just means you're too far for a direct Bluetooth link. It's normal out of Bluetooth range, about 10 meters indoors. Find My still shows the last known spot. Right next to it and still searching, usually a dead CR, 2032 battery, or metal and concrete blocking the signal. Fix it in order, reposition around metal, replace the battery, then reset the AirTag if needed. Even when the direct link fails, the last seen pin from Apple's network is your best starting point. Check distance first, then battery. Full guide on hotairtag.com.